If the police stop you, do you really have to answer their questions? The answer depends on where you are. Today, we'll break down the right to remain silent in three major legal systems: USA, UK, and Australia. In the USA, the right to remain silent is protected by the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution. It shields individuals from self-incrimination. You've likely heard the famous Miranda warning. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. This was established by Miranda versus Arizona in 1966. If you are detained or arrested, you can refuse to answer police questions. However, simply staying silent isn't enough. You must say clearly, "I am invoking my right to remain silent." Once stated, police must stop questioning. In some states, you may be required to provide your name. Otherwise, always stay calm, polite, and do not physically resist. In the UK, the right to silence exists under the Police and Criminal Evidence Act 1984. Police will caution you with, "You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defense if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court." You can remain silent, but courts may draw a negative inference. This means silence could be considered as weakening your defense, especially if you later raise facts not mentioned during police questioning. You can always request legal counsel before answering questions. In Australia, the right to remain silent varies by state and territory. You generally do not have to answer police questions, except for providing your name, address, and date of birth if legally requested. This is required under acts such as the Law Enforcement Powers and Responsibilities Act 2002 in New South Wales. Beyond identification, you can politely say, "I do not wish to answer any questions without legal advice." In some exceptions, like traffic stops in Queensland or special crime investigations, you may be compelled to respond. But in most routine police interactions, your silence is protected. In summary, in the USA, silence is fully protected once you state it clearly. In the UK, silence is allowed but may be held against you. In Australia, you must provide ID but can stay silent otherwise. Wherever you are, stay calm and polite. Ask, "Am I being detained or am I free to go?" If detained, request a lawyer immediately and avoid answering further questions. The right to remain silent protects you, but its application differs around the world. Knowing your rights can prevent misunderstandings and protect your freedom. Always seek advice from a qualified lawyer if you're unsure. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest legal content. Stay informed. Subscribe now to get more legal knowledge from Global Law Explained.